How do you start changing a baby room into a big girl's room? When my little one turned 3, I really wanted to change her room into a more mature room, but still keep it very girly and feminine. I wanted to introduce pink, but I wasn't sure what kind of pink to introduce. Palesa from Dulux came to visit.
Let's see where the inspiration kind of started.
Okay, so I actually started a Pinterest board with everything that I thought of this room, and I really want to stick to like the pinks and the purples and so on, still keep it like really girly.
Yeah.
It's actually based on a carpet that I bought. My inspiration came from that, and that's why I think this room really could do with a makeover.
He showed me the Dulux Visualizer app.
So it's really easy to use.
Okay.
Basically just click on there and you have the room. Select your different color schemes at the bottom and you basically just hold it up against the room. It does real time and it also can upload an image.
Okay, and it's obviously much easier to see it on the wall like that than to imagine what it's going to look like.
And that's how the process started. We thought we'd use the Easy Care product just because it's such a good, durable product and it's easy to clean once you have it in a toddler's room. I was really happy with how the room turned out. The Dulux products really added that extra bit of warmth that we needed in the room. The colors are vibrant, but the true test was what she thought of the room, and she was absolutely delighted.